Hi guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'll be showing you how to convert your DVD files to ISO files with a simple and awesome software that is Format Factory. In my DVD drive, I have inserted a DVD. As you can see, this is a Windows 10 DVD file. I just want to make an ISO file from this, and what I need to do, I'm just opening Format Factory. If you don't know how to download and install this, you can simply go to the description and you can also check the end screen too for the video. Okay, I'm there and I'm just under the ROM device and just simply choosing DVD to ISO, clicking there, and as you can see, it has automatically detected the DVD and asking me to convert it to ISO. There's also CSO. I'm just choosing ISO and it will be delivered to my E drive. You can also change if you wish, and I'm just simply going to click on convert. And now, as you can see, this has become a icon of ISO, and I'm just simply going to click on start. It will be working, and depending on the size of your DVD disc and the configuration of your PC, it may take a little while to be converted, and in the meanwhile, please wait patiently and see the progress. I'm just coming back after the conversion is done. And as you can see that it is now done and it's showing that it is completed. It is now delivered to output folder. If I click there, you can see that the ISO file is there and it is 4.28 GB in size. And this is a simple way, this is a simple process of turning your DVD drive to ISO file with this simple and awesome software that is Format Factory. And lastly, if you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.